You think you've mastered PEMDAS? Let's find out. Today, I'm giving you 5 tricky PEMDAS questions that most students fail, especially question number 5. Get a notebook or piece of paper and let's see how many you can get right. I am Miss Becca and I help you make math click one step at a time. Ready? Let's go! Question 1. 6 plus 12 divided by 3 times 2. Pause and solve it before I show you the steps. Question 2. 8 divided by 2 bracket 2 plus 2. Yes, the internet famous question. Take 10 seconds to solve. Question 3. 18 divided by 3 times 2 plus 1. This one gets most students. Let's see if you can beat it. Question 4. 20 minus 3 times 2 squared. This one tests if you really know when to use exponents. Question 5. 5 plus 3 all squared divided by 4 times 2. This one looks easy, but it's where even top students sleep. This gives 12 divided by 3. We have to divide before we multiply. When division and multiplication appear together, you solve from left to right. So this will be 4. So we have 6 plus 4 times 2. Next, we multiply. So we have 6 plus 8. And 6 plus 8 gives 14. So 14 is the correct answer. For this, we solve the parentheses first. 2 plus 2 gives 4. So this becomes 8 divided by 2 times 2. And we solve from left to right. 8 divided by 2 gives 4. Then 4 times 4 gives 16. We solve the parentheses first. 2 plus 1 gives 3. So this question becomes 18 divided by 3 times 3. Then we solve from left to right. 18 divided by 3 gives 6. 6 times 3 is 18. We solve the exponent first. So we have 20 minus 3 times 4. Then we multiply. So we have 20 minus 12. And the answer is 8. We solve the parentheses first so that we have 5 plus 3 is 8. So this becomes 8 squared divided by 4 times 2. Then we solve the exponent next. 8 squared gives 64. So this gives 64 divided by 4 times 2. Now we are left with division and multiplication. So we solve from left to right. 64 divided by 4 gives 16, and then we have 16 times 2, and the answer is 32. How many did you get right? If you got 5/5, then you are a PEMDAS master. If you score 3 or 4, then you are close. You can watch it again to master the steps. If you score 1 or 2, don't worry, I've got your back. If you missed any question, don't worry. Next video, I will break down the most confusing PEMDAS mistakes step by step. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never lose another math mark again. You are watching Math with Miss Becca, where we make math click. See you in the next video.